Hi, I'm unboxing my first pair of Doernbecher shoes. I already have one pair, but I got that at a concert or something. So now I'm unboxing the Doernbechers. The Doernbecher Hospital helps kids that are sick and dying to design all these shoes. So the money goes to help fight these diseases and kick butt. I am a hero because I help. Here we go. Oh, wow. That wasn't done. Here's what the box looks like. Told you it was different. Here's my old Doernbecher DBs. Here's the little type that designed them. Look at this. Freestyle. Thanks. That was a lot of fun. Now